Welcome back to Hack Hustle Hub, where we believe in hustling smarter, not harder. Today, we're going to build a DIY productivity planner that fits your workflow. Whether you prefer a digital planner or an old-school pen and paper approach, this guide will help you stay organized and in control of your day. Let's get started. Why do you need a productivity planner? Simple. Staying organized reduces stress, boosts focus, and helps you get more done. With the right system, you'll avoid last-minute chaos and stay on track with your goals. Step 1. Choose your format. Do you prefer a digital planner for easy updates and automation? Or are you a fan of the classic paper planner, where you can physically write things down? There's no wrong choice. Just go with what keeps you engaged. Step 2. Add the right sections to your planner. Whether digital or paper, here are a few must-have sections. Daily task list. Plan your day at a glance. Weekly goals. Set clear objectives for the week. Habit tracker. Track routines like workouts, reading, or hydration. Notes. Reflections. Jot down insights and progress updates. If you prefer digital planners, here are some top tools. Notion, fully customizable for task management. Trello, great for visual organization with Kanban boards. Google Calendar, perfect for scheduling and reminders. Todoist, simple task list with smart reminders. Find what works for you and start planning with ease. Step 3, make it yours. A planner only works if it's easy and fun to use. Add colors, custom categories, or stickers to keep yourself motivated. For digital users, tweak templates and automate reminders to keep tasks on track. Starting a planner is easy, but sticking to it is what really counts. Here are some quick tips. Make it a habit. Spend 5 minutes each morning updating your planner. Set realistic goals. Overloading your schedule leads to burnout. Review weekly. Take time to reflect and adjust your planning system. The more you use it, the more productive you'll become. And that's how you create your own custom productivity planner. Now it's your turn. Which format do you prefer, digital or physical? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more productivity tips. Until next time, hustle smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching Hack Hustle Hub. Let's hack life together.